Wagwan J Squad, and welcome back to another exciting episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking into the vibrant world of Jamaican mangoes, uncovering the top 10 health benefits that make this tropical fruit a true powerhouse of nutrition. Let's get started. Health benefit number 1, immunity booster. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens your immune system, helping you to ward off illness and infections. Health benefit number 2, skin radiance. The vitamin A and antioxidants in mangoes promote healthy skin, reducing signs of aging and keeps your complexion glowing and youthful. Before we go into number 3, just drop it down in the comment section and tell us what's your favorite Jamaican mango. Some like Julie mango, some like East Indian. Let's hear what's your favorite. Now with that said, let's jump right back into the video. Health benefit number 3, digestive health. Mangoes are a very good helper to our digestion. They are high in fiber and they prevent constipation. They also support a healthy gut microbiome, ensuring smooth sailing for your digestive system and a comfortable visit whenever you sit on the throne. Health benefit number 4, eye health. Loaded with vitamin A and beta carotene, mangoes promote good vision and eye health, protecting against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. If you like what you've heard so far, or the information sounds beneficial to you or the ones that you love, please remember to hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on all your notification bells so you never miss another upload from us. Let's jump into health benefit number 5, heart wellness. Potassium and fiber in mangoes maintain heart health by regulating blood pressure, supporting proper heart function, and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Health benefit number 6. Who would have thought that mangoes can be a great source for weight management? Well, with its low calorie content and high fiber, mangoes make a satisfying, nutritious snack that can aid in weight management and support a healthy lifestyle. Hey you! Yes, you that's watching this amazing video. If you haven't yet joined the Jae Says family, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and turn on all notification bells so you never miss another upload from us. Health benefit number 7, bone strength. Vitamin K in mangoes play a vital role in bone health, aiding in calcium absorption and contributing to strong bones and a reduction in your risk of developing osteoporosis. Health benefit number 8, mangoes carry alkalizing properties. Despite their sweetness, mangoes have an alkalizing property that helps to balance the body's pH levels, and this supports overall health and vitality. Health benefit number 9, stress relief. Mangoes contain vitamin B6, which helps in the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, promoting mood, balance, and reducing stress and anxiety. Health benefit number 10, anti-cancer potential. The potential antioxidants and phytochemicals in mangoes have shown promising anti-cancer properties, potentially reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 health benefits of mangoes straight from the heart of Jamaica. Next time you indulge in this tropical delight, remember the treasure trove of health benefits it brings. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the wonders of nature. This is Jae Says 876 signing off. And as we always say on this channel, Jae Says, and we are out of here.
Mango time, make we go.